friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and members online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Quadruple Room is 5.3, which is the possible. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Are available online. You can order online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and menu policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details below,